Hello there, this is Saman. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. Maybe you're watching this for the first time, but we are getting started with a beginner series on how to scratch using a mouse and a keyboard in Virtual DJ. We already had in the previous video some useful settings that you must have in order to get started. And in this first one here, this other video, we are going to have a scratch practice that we're going to do on this piano beat here. We're going to be doing this every time on a new type of beat, maybe reggae, maybe hip-hop, maybe R&B and whatsoever. Now this might not be a very professional kind of video, but then we are trying to do it like professionals, okay? But if you can't afford a turntable at this level, then this is a good way to go. Or maybe you're a pro and you want to find out how this is done. Yeah, let's try it together without wasting any time. Let's jump right in. So let me open my Virtual DJ over here. This is it. I have this scratch material over here, so the basic things that we're going to do here is we're going to try to mix these scratch techniques together. We have baby scratch, which is just a forward scratch and a back scratch, just like this. Let's try to make it a bit smooth. It is always better when it's longer, so make sure you get a smooth place where maybe you'll be putting your mouse. That's if you're using a mouse. So that's a baby scratch. So we shall be chopping it into some pieces, maybe something like a stab scratch, where we're going to be pushing it forward and then coming back, we chop it off. So you press, I'm going to be using my volume button here, the volume bar. So when I'm doing a forward scratch, I make sure the volume is up, so when I'm coming back, I turn it off, just like this. Up, then down, up, down. Yeah, so that's one way. It's like stabbing, but then you chop it up, just like that. So that's one way. So you can be mixing it with the baby scratch. Maybe you can say you take it up, chop it off, and then see. It's just about being creative with it. So if you've ever tried this on a turntable, this is one way it's done. So it's just a baby scratch and chopping some things off. Now I have not set an EQ for this. You can maybe lower the volume a bit, or you can decide to push the crossfader to the other side a bit to reduce on this. But then the other settings will come in the next videos. There are EQs and then maybe other settings that you need to know in order to scratch with this. But for now, I just want to show you how scratching is really done.